In this video, we'll go over whether or not GoMining is a legit way to make money online or it is a scam. So GoMining is a website that works pretty much like any normal cloud mining services. But if you have been in the crypto field for a while, you'll probably know that cloud mining in general is typically a scam. But personally, I wouldn't say GoMining is a scam, because what GoMining has that not many other cloud mining website offers is that they have already years of experience of mining Bitcoin, and their website doesn't really look that fishy, to be quite honest, like many other cloud mining solutions do. Plus, I have personally a couple of miners myself inside of GoMining that till this day has generated me about $150, which was 100% passively. And I need to say that I have been running these miners for the past like 5, 6, 7 months. So as you can see down here, you can start a miner with under $30 for a lifetime Bitcoin miner, which makes it attractive for people who doesn't really have that much money to start investing into a Bitcoin miner rig. And as you can see over here, the annual return is about 40%, which is not the highest I've seen on different cloud mining services, which also can indicate that they don't lie about the return of investment. If you go down to the estimate rewards, you'll be able to see what your expected returns will look like on a daily and monthly basis. So as you can see here, $27 will give you 1 TH with 20% wet efficiency. And as you can see here, if the Bitcoin is $110,000, you'll see the daily is 5 cents per day, or $1.63 per month, which annually is 30% return of investment. Something that I also haven't seen on a cloud mining basis is that GoMining is built on their own crypto token called GoMining token, or GMT for short. And as you can see, it's currently traded for about $0.05 per token. You can also use these tokens to maintain your Bitcoin rig so you can get more daily profit on your mining. And it's not just me who has had great experience with GoMining. As you can see on Trustpilot, that is 174 English reviews, and GoMining in general has 4.0 stars on the Trustpilot. And as you can see here, they also have a couple of 1 stars, 18% to be exact. But as you can see down here, that many of these sounds kind of like bots. As you can see here, this guy offers something called Vases, which is 100% a scam. And as you can see also, none of these are verified people, and they also only have 1 review on their profile. Personally, I would trust GoMining to mine my Bitcoin passively for me. And if you think about joining GoMining yourself, I have a referral code that will save you 5% on your first miner, which is already there, free money. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!